Nakakita ka na ba ng 22 years old na motorcycle? Ito nga pala si Papa Fernando at ang kanyang 22 years old na motorcycle. Alamin natin ang kwento ng buhay niya at kung bakit siya yung napili ko na bigyan ng gulong ng power tires o sapar tires. Hindi madali ang pagiging tricycle driver. Sabak sa init, ulan, at nakakapagod na trabaho ang pagiging isang tricycle driver. Hindi ito madaling trabaho, lalo na nasa lansangan ka mula umaga hanggang gabi. Pero si Papa Fernando, sa halos 22 years niyang pamamasada, kasama ang kanyang tricycle na araw-araw para lang kumita ng pera. Kaya ngayong araw na to, bibigyan natin siya ng bagong gulong at bagong kadena. Dahil deserve niya ang mga ito para sa kanyang paghahanap buhay at para makatulong na rin tayo kahit konti. At dahil na rin yan sa kasipagan at determinasyon sa trabaho. Kaya deserve mo ang blessing na ganito, Papa Fernando. At para na rin sa mga kapwa nating tricycle driver dyan, saludo kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa Power Tires na kasama natin sa hanap buhay. Teka, bakit ba ang lungkot? Pinakikilala ko ulit sa inyo si Tatay Fernando at ang kanyang 22 years old na motorcycle.
About to hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish that track, then I get it, got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit. Too fast when I'm spitting, read it back, now they get it on. Flipping that switch as I'm hitting these bars like a gift. I spit like I'm sipping gold bars to these kids, no kidding. I've been winning this and getting my best life dinner while I'm hitting on a mission. Ooh, spicy, I know they like me, but I got a wifey, she be real nice to me. No one works like me, got a different mindset, my rate is pricey, got a different psyche. Ooh, lyrics are icy, living life nicely, very precisely, living divinely, manifest wisely. All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing. Been around the world for a visit, first class ticket, man, I'm in it, man, I'm winning. I don't have no limit. If I want it, then I get it. If she want it, then she get it. I ain't never done finished. I'm a giver. I've been given first place. I've been winning 6 shots, head spinning, but I still keep ripping and I still keep hitting 2 ways. I'm splitting all in. I'm risking it all. Yeah, I don't ever fall. Yeah, but if I do, I get back up, stand tall. Yeah, I want it all. Yeah, a good life. I don't think small. Yeah, I'ma be big one day. See me taking off runway. My name up in lights someday. Looking at a crowd that loves me. Yeah, I came here to play.
I'm lucid. I'm not losing. This life is one I'm choosing. I don't